In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove items from Shein cart. If your shopping bag is a little crowded or you've changed your mind, I'll show you the quickest way to clear things out using the Shein app on your phone. We'll go step by step, and I'll also share a few tips to make sure everything updates correctly. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. Give it a second to load and make sure you're connected to the internet. If you have an account, it helps to be signed in so your cart stays in sync across devices. Once the home screen appears, you're ready to move on. Next, look for the bag icon, sometimes labeled as bag or shown as a shopping cart symbol. It's typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that to open your bag. Here you'll see a list of the items you've added, including sizes, colors, quantities, and the current total. Take a brief moment to review the list so you're removing exactly what you intend. Now find the item you want to remove. Tap on that item to select it, or simply focus on its row in the list. You should see a trash can icon associated with that item. This icon can appear next to the product within an edit area, or after you tap on the item details, depending on your app version. The trash can is the button that removes the item from your bag. Go ahead and tap the trash icon. The app will usually ask you to confirm before it deletes anything. When you see the confirmation prompt, tap Delete. This confirms that you want the item removed. Within a moment, the item should disappear from your bag and the total will update automatically. If you change your mind at the last second, you can cancel at this prompt and the item will stay put. If you need to remove more than one item, repeat the same process for each one. Select the item, tap the trash icon, then confirm Delete. After each removal, keep an eye on the updated total to ensure it reflects your changes. If the total doesn't refresh right away, try pulling down to refresh the screen or closing and reopening the bag. If you don't see the trash icon, look for an edit option on the bag page, or make sure your app is updated to the latest version. A quick update often restores missing icons or buttons. And that's it. Open the app, go to your bag, tap the trash icon on the item you don't want, and confirm Delete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Shein bag quickly and confidently.